Being specialty insurance underwriters, we're representatives and correspondents for Lloyd's of London, so we do a tremendous amount of business in the London market.
The advantages are that you're getting everybody onto an even level playing field.
Oh, my experiences have been great. I couldn't do business without it.
I don't worry about what's going to happen if there's no power, because all of my applications are in a secure facility with 3 generators.
It's a matter of just connecting, and then we can also tell our people if we decide not to have an office, we can just tell the people to work from home, and everything's working in that sense.
It scales up just as easily too. We acquire a company, we can plug them right into the network, or we add 25 employees. We just light up their boxes, as we say, light up their computers. The reliability factor went way up with Proxius.
With Proxius, I know I can find stuff. And for a guy who is organizationally challenged like I am, that is just huge. One doesn't have a power plant at their house to produce electricity. And Proxius is much like that in the sense that somebody else is doing all that. They are maintaining the power plant, so to speak, where all I have to do is turn the computer on and it's there all the time.
Provided us with tremendous security because Proxius is in a data center with multiple weeks of backup power. The backup of data and security of that data is in a much more secure site, and we don't have to worry about did someone back up the data.
Computing now is like electricity. It's a plug-in commodity as opposed to this very complex thing that it used to be. But, that's the kind of support and service that they give. We make one phone call, and they take care of it.